Hello, in front of me I've got Cubot P50. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable dark theme, and also manage it. And the same thing we can do with night light. Next we can enable or disable adaptive brightness. Change wallpaper. Both for home screen and lock screen. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Manage indicator light. For charge, low battery and miss the event. Enable or disable auto rotate screen. Change font size. And display size. Next, we can set screensaver between clock, colors and photos, and select when to start between while charging or never. Then we can manage lock screen preferences, like notifications on lock screen, between show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all, enable or disable skip lock screen and show lockdown option, and in the end, we can add text on lock screen. Then we can enable or disable lift to wake. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.